Welcome to the Business of Beauty Success Tips. Hi, my name is Pamela Price. I am the owner of Priceless Beauty. And with no formal education or business training, I've been able to turn my annual income into my monthly income through working smarter and not harder in my beauty business. And I'm passionate about empowering and equipping others to achieve their beauty business goals. Today's mini video training, I'm going to talk about how automation and templating can help your business. But first, let's talk about the objections. People are scared of losing that personalization, that everything's moving into AI, and if it's templated, maybe people aren't going to care. No. I want to squash that right away because automation can still be personalized. It can be personalized by using the same language that you would use if you were to send a text message or a DM or an email or a voice note. You can still use the same language. And when people hear the language, whether it be via voice note, whatever it is, however you're communicating with them via video, whatever that looks like for your business, it can still be you. I bet you get the same questions over and over in your business. Whether you're a spray tan artist, makeup artist, brow tech, lash artist, you get the same questions. And it gets a little exhausting and time consuming to keep providing that same information over and over and over. So I'm going to talk to you about a few ways that we can start implementing some automation and templating hacks into your business, like immediately. One way that you can use it is through client booking. So if you have a system like Acuity, for example, that's the one that we use, people are able to book at their convenience. You can collect payments on there, you can share all pertinent information, and you can schedule in a way that makes sense. So for example, for our spray tan clients, they just have to click one button, they see all their appointment options available, they can choose their artist, they can choose their spray tan service, they can choose their add-ons, and they do a deposit, which means they're going to actually show up. We also have our policy on there. So our cancellation, our booking policy, and they have to click a little checkbox, which means we know that they've read that information. So they're going to show up for their appointments and they're going to come prepared. And that also will allow us to create an automation process where they receive communication directly from us immediately, even if they work night shift and they decide that they want to book their spray tan at 5 o'clock in the morning and girl, you are still sleeping, that's okay. They're going to receive an email with all of the information that they need in order to be properly prepared for their service. You can also automate their reminders so that they remember to show up, that they should add it to their calendar so they can easily find their service, because once they add it to the calendar, it will automatically link your address. So many great features that are included when you have a booking system. This saves you time so that you can focus on doing your services, the thing that you love and makes you money, of course. Client communication. So I had mentioned that people ask the same questions over and over and over. And if we're very busy, it's hard for us to stay consistent providing the best information for them. If you sit down, think about all the questions and that process of what it looks like for your business, you can write down those things, think about it, and create something, whether it be a video, a PDF, an email template, some type of communication where they can receive all the important information. And that way, you know that you've equipped them properly. And I think they're going to be really impressed when they see that. This way, you know clients have received all the information. It reduces errors, and errors could negatively impact your client's experience. Another way that you can save time in your business is through text and phone communication. You can set up templates by saving a note in your phone and simply copy and pasting it into your conversations. You can also set up shortcuts. So for example, if you want to send the aftercare instructions to somebody to make sure that they've received it, you can create a shortcut in your phone by just using the word after. We use 2 A's, so that way we don't accidentally send it to the wrong person or it types the wrong thing out. And then you automatically pull up all of the instructions that you have saved in there by just typing 3 letters, as opposed to having to type it out over and over and over. So even if you have a call with a client, you can send them a follow-up with a template communication, prompting them to follow the next steps. And of course, marketing, right? Marketing can be very time consuming. So automating as many processes as you can makes so much sense. Using a third plugin, for example, like Zapier, to automate your email communication. Every single time a client books a service with you or inquires about a service, you can use Zapier to integrate into your email communication. And then you're going to be building that relationship with your clients, keeping you top of mind, bringing them back in for special offers. We don't want to lose track of our client information. This is a great way for us to do this. And trust me, this is going to enhance your services. It's going to make you look more professional. Your business should proceed how excellent your service is. But if they don't see that in that communication aspect, if you're kind of very slow in responding, or if your communication is kind of confusing and all over the place, or the instructions are hard to follow, or they can't find the instructions at all, or they don't know what to do, they overall the experience is diminished. So having these systems, these templates, and these policies in place in advance is going to allow you to provide a way better client experience, and your customers are going to notice the difference. Trust me. Both your team, if you do have a team, or if you're looking to grow your team, and your clients are going to understand what their roles are and what to expect each time they're coming for a service, or each time they're coming to take care of your clients for you. This is going to allow you to have more conversions, because we're releasing that barrier of entry so that it's not complicated. If they're looking for a beauty service, chances are they might have looked into a couple places already. If yours is quick, convenient, looks professional, you have good ratings online, guess what? You're going to convert more of those inquiries into booked paying clients. If you're booked and busy, you do not have time to be responding to things always in a super timely manner. They expect you to be responding right away, and that's just not realistic. Or maybe you just want to take a day off. They can still access everything they need without you having to be available 24/7. Let's talk about boundaries and balance, okay? If you're ready to convert more leads, save time, and look more professional in your beauty business, I 1000% recommend you start implementing some or all of these automation tips I have shared with you. If you're not sure where to start, that's where I can actually come in to help. I've created a course called Business of Beauty, where we cover this topic and so many other missing pieces to the puzzle that help us to create a strong, reputable, growing beauty business. These are things we did not learn in beauty school. They include both live training, coaching, and assignments. So you can start implementing these new business structures, and I'm going to help you to reach your beauty business goals. The course is launching November 20th, and the doors open November 6th to early bird students. And if you want to get on our waitlist, you're going to have a special offer. It's only going to be open to 10 ladies. It's time to take off the artist hat and put on the CEO one. Check out the link below to get onto our waitlist today.